Hi guys, you've made it to Thursday and part 4 of the lab, and this is the last part of the lab. One lab, 1 week. Um, don't you like these fun glasses? They're very fun. I can't see anything out of them, so I'm going to switch back 1 second. Oh, okay. All right. So happy Thursday. Ha. Um, so you probably don't. I can't see out of these either. Okay. Oh, fun. Oh, I can't actually see out of them. Okay, so I'll wear these when I teach today. So today is part 5, your analysis and conclusion questions. So you've already answered this question, so I want you to get this question off of another lab. Don't go and count again. Go get, oh, actually, yes, you have done this. So go to one of the other labs that you have and grab your data from that. So how many total light bulbs are in your home? How many compact fluorescents and LEDs are in your home? You have this information. You filled it out before. So just go back. It's in maybe 2 weeks ago's lab. And then you are going to fill out this table, and that's going to be wonderful. And then you're going to explain to me which light bulb. So going back through your lab from this week, which one of the light bulbs is the best bargain, and give 3 pieces of evidence. So you're going to type right in here, and you're going to tell me which bulb was the best, and then what piece of evidence do you have, what piece of evidence do you have, what piece of evidence do you have, and then you're going to do a little like analysis at home. So what are the top 3 places or rooms that you could upgrade your lighting to a more efficient bulb, and what do you think, why do you think that would be the case? And then I think, how do I find it? Uh, Oops, here we go. There we go. And then here we go, your last page. Are there any places where lights could be used less often? Blah, 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 as a conserving effort, or lights that could be upgraded to be more efficient. And then what bulbs do not necessarily need to be changed right away, but can wait until the bulb burns out. And then you're done. And then you're going to click turn in. So enjoy the day, get outside, appreciate your light bulbs, and have a good one.